check, 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 check. प्रसाद भाई, प्रसाद भाई. Check, check. टेस्ट कर रहा, खाली टेस्ट कर रहा. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3. Check. 1, 2, 3. Mic testing.
Mic testing 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Hello, hello. Over to Awesome.
Thank you. I couldn't recognize the voice, by the way, whether it was Harish or Sagar, but thank you so much anyways. यहाँ से cover करो. बैठ के कौन आ जाओ भाई. हिंदी में बोलो, मेरे को समझ में हैदराबाद. क्या क्वेश्चन पूछोगे? जनरल क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, आपको स्पॉन्टेनियस बोल. चेक. All right. We are back to the second session of question and answers with all the spectators that are here to witness this iconic venue, Fatorda Maidan, for this glorious event, Damba Premier League 2025, powered by Shri Damuji Nayak. I'm here with, what's your good name, sir?
Saif Ali.
Saif Ali is the man who has joined me here. I would like to ask you one straight question about this tournament. Not only this tournament, when such tournaments come into the light in Goa, what do you think, what kind of platform it is going to give to the Goan cricketers? How is that going to be, and how is that going to be beneficial for the Goan cricketers in future?
I think this is just start of this Goan locals. It will be good for the Goan local youth so that they can rise and they can play in the UAE, and there are many games going in the UAE, especially from the team Ponda, Penjim and all. So here, if they perform well here, then the spectators or the owners, they will see and they can get a chance to play them in the Gulf side also.
So have you ever watched an international cricket match live from the stadium?
No, actually not, but actually I wanted to be, but let's see when it comes.
But how does it feel? So what is the experience seeing the match on the TV and seeing such leagues at the stadium?
It's like unbelievable. If this kind of tournaments happens in the Goa, then probably they should. I think they are keeping good standards of this local tournament. So it's like international only. Just 1 to 3 points it's down. Otherwise, it's well and good.
Okay, done. I'm done with my question. One last question to you. To win that goodie of Damba Challengers presents Damba Premier League 2025, powered by Shri G. Damu Nayak. If you are going to answer one straight question, you will be getting a goodie like a hat, a cap of DBL 2025.
Okay, I'll try my best. If it is in my way, then I'll get it.
So this is a question for you. In Indian Premier League, who is that one batsman who scored the first ever century in Indian Premier League, IPL?
I think Brendan McCullum.
Yeah, that is true. Brendan McCullum from Kolkata Knight Riders. In the very first game, he scored 158. So you won, Saif Ali. All is yours. Can I have the cap, sir? Mr. Babu from Nalini Caterers. Thank you so much. And this is for you. Thank you so much for joining with us. And stay tuned, guys. We are coming to you each and every single moment. and you get enough of chances to win such awards and goodies from DBL 2025. Thank you so much for now. All the way to the commentary box now.
थैंक यू सर, ओसम सर, धन्यवाद। तो
Same here.
पहली गेंद पर बड़ा आगाज और गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा पर। पहली गेंद पर एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट और गेंद जो कि बाउंड्री लाइन को पार करते हुए मडगांव किंग्स मुकाबला करते हुए कलंगुट जायंट्स क्रिकेट टीम के साथ दूसरा सेमीफाइनल। पहला सेमीफाइनल थोड़ा सा एक तरफी जरूर रहा। शानदार बल्लेबाजी की कप्तान ने, अजय यादव ने। So wonderful shot here to begin the proceedings. Aggression shown by Sai Zore of the very first ball. And amazing beginning for the second semi-finals. Looking to angle the ball away from the left-hander. And there are two reviews given, and looking at the signal that he is making here, maybe he want to review this decision. Yes, very good here, new inceptions of two reviews that are being given to the both the sides, and he is immediately, he feels that he has walked across the stumps, and he feels that it has gone outside the guideline. So let's have the review, let's have the decision. Shri Damba Baleghode Cultural Association, and this is this entire thing Damba Premier League powered by Shri Damu Naik. ओवर पिच गेंद, एक लेफ्ट शॉट लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर आते आते पहली गेंद पर एक बेहतरीन शॉट लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री पर और गेंद चली गई बाउंड्री लाइन को पार करते हुए 4 रन के लिए. A very good shot coming up very new, fresh onto the wicket and picking the length right, and a perfect shot here, straight over the top. Not trying to hit across, playing with a straight face, and a very effective result of a boundary.
नए बल्लेबाज आ चुके हैं मैदान पर। प्रसाद किंजलेकर आते आते चौका, चौके के साथ अपना खाता कुरुशियोग शुरू किया। एक विकेट खो चुकी है टीम और गौरव सावंत अपने बॉलिंग मार्ग पर। ओ बहुत अच्छी गेंद, बहुत अच्छी गेंद, फ्रंट फुट पर गेंद के लाइन से बीट हुए, भीतरी किनारा, सफलता मिली। पावर प्ले का पहला ओवर और 2 विकेट खोती हुई टीम।
That's what a wonderful delivery, just back off length, asking the batter to go for the drive, got a leading edge, and perfect medium paces dismissal here from Gaurav Sawant. He will be very, very happy, upbeat. They've got 2 big blows here, Margao Kings. Pepsi toss won by Margao Kings, opting to field first, and they've got 2 big scales, Bharatarkas and now Prasad, both departed.
पावर प्ले का पहला ओवर नाजुक शुरुआत मैदान पर 9 रन स्कोर बोर्ड पर 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर। गेंदबाजी में परिवर्तन कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर से दूसरे ओवर की शुरुआत।
So the first over, 9 for the loss of 2, both picked by Gaurav Sawant, the man from Khanagona playing for Margao Kings. It is a very positive start for them. Slow ball and picks the spot nicely. Turning around, going for the switch hit, and beautifully played. That is what you expect of Sai Zori. You want to take the advantage, and he is not going to be fizzled by this arena and this stage. He is taking the attack to the opposition in spite of losing those 2 wickets.
अल्टी पल्टी वाला शॉट साइज जोरे के बल्ले से और मिले 4 रन। विनोद विल्सन का स्वागत किया और एक बार फिर से अपने बॉलिंग बार पर जो दूसरा ओवर जारी है, स्कोर डबल फिगर में आगे बढ़ता हुआ 13 पर।
Clipped away nicely onto the leg side, maybe looking to turn around for a couple of runs. Run out opportunity at the strikers, and this might be a run out here at the non-strikers, and this is poor calling from Sai Zore. There was never a second run in it. Well, it's all happening in towards the Margao Kings side. 3rd wicket has been lost. Total harakiri committed by the batters of Kalangur Giants. that ball has gone into the dark, and it will take some time to get the ball. We have definitely have the second ball that has been chosen by this same team. But how good he has been to picking the length. Nothing wrong done by the bowler there, angling the ball away. He's trying to get his wicket, but he is so strong square of the wicket in the sweep as well as the reverse sweep. They placed both the men, but he feels that he can clear any field and get those sixes at ease, and he has done it on most of the occasions. The success rate and the percentage of getting those sixes square on the leg side as well on the offside is very, very high, because he's a high caliber player and got a very good eye. He picks the length early, and that has fast hands makes it very possible for him. Oh, just over. Just wanted to chip it behind the bowler there, but it was in the air for a while. Shout of a catch, but it was in the end safely gone back to the long on region, getting a single.
एक रन मिला स्कोर के खाते में, सिंगल के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा 34 पर, और स्ट्राइक पर अब मुकुंद सामना करेंगे आने वाली अगली गेंद का। अच्छी गेंद इस बार फिर से, अच्छा क्रिकेट सम्मान दिया, कवर पर फील्डर, शॉर्ट एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर गेंद को उठाते फील्ड करते, एक रन के लिए निकले दोनों बल्लेबाज, एक सिंगल पूरा किया, 35 पर पहुंचा टोटल स्कोर। खेल समाप्त हुआ 3 ओवर का, और 3 ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 35 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
The top, gone the distance from the light into the dark, and there's not Sai Zore, that's Mukund cut again from you. Mukund striking.
बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट, स्कोर आगे बढ़ता हुआ। इस बार सफल होकर लेकिन उतने अच्छे सफल नहीं रहे इस बार। अच्छा ऑलराउंडर है, इस टूर्नामेंट में हैट्रिक भी मुकम्मल किया है मुकुंद।
As I talk about Rajat, this was a slower leg cutter, cutting the pace totally off. That's what he brings in spite of 6. Oh wow, such a wonderful ball there. Slower ball, slower leg cutter once again, dragging his shot, not expected his ball, nothing short in the end. Just lucky to scrape through and run down towards that short fine leg region.
बहुत अच्छी गेंद थी, बल्लेबाज कोई खास समझ नहीं पाए लेकिन वहां पर बच गए। विकेट कीपर के लिए स्लिप के लिए कोई मौका नहीं बना और फिलहाल बड़ी देर के बाद एक बार फिर से स्ट्राइक मिलता हुआ साइज जोरे को। और उनके लिए अच्छी सोच है रजत की, जो शुरू में ओवर द विकेट गेंदबाजी कर रहे थे, अब लेफ्ट हैंडर के लिए राउंड विकेट आ चुके अपने बॉलिंग बार पर।
Yes, now 7 runs have been taken. So far you can call a decent over for Madgaon Kings, and first time it will be Rajat Kudalkar against Sai Zore in the semi-finals. Yes, in the air, that might be a chance. Big wicket coming on the way, and it's taken. Rajat strikes. I told you, he is one of the smartest and the cunning foxes in tennis ball cricket in Goa. He has totally foxed Sai Zore over there and gets rid of that most dangerous batter in the Kalangur Giants game. So it's the end of 4 overs, and now it's going to be Gumteshwar's strategic timeout of 3 minutes given to both the teams. What a wicket there, 42 for 4 after 4.
Check. So here I'm with one of the strong pillar of Margao Kings, Kadir Bhai. Kadir Bhai, total 16 टीमींतल्यान तुम्ही सेमिसाक पावल्यात आणि ते बी फातोडाच्या ग्राउंडार मडगांव एरियेन कशें दिसता?
आमचे जाग्यार आमकां एक बरें अशें दिसता की आमकां एक चान्स पडलो सेमीफायनला पावपाचो आनी आमगेले प्लेयरांनी खूब मेहनत केली हाजे फाटल्यान की सेमीक पावपा खातीर आनी अशें दिसता की देवा कृपेन आमगेले फायनलीक पावपाचे सगळे कडेन म्हणल्यार चिंतलेले आसा की आमी फायनली पावपा जाय म्हणून आतां बाकीचे देवार।
आणि तुमकां सपोर्ट कसो आसा हांगा मडगांवान?
सपोर्टर आमकां फूल आसा की आमी मडगांवकार न्हू, फूल सपोर्ट पळय आमगे सपोर्टर्स फूल आसा हांगा पळय थंय सुद्दां आसा, थंय फूल सपोर्टर आसा पळय आमगेले। आमकां सपोर्टाक कमी ना कित्याक आमी मडगांवकार आनी मडगांवकाराक सदांच सपोर्ट आसा आमकां।
आणि मडगांवकार कॉन्फिडंट आसा ती सेमीफायनल जिखपाची? ओके कादीर भाई, ऑल द बेस्ट तुमच्या टिमीक, देव बरें करूं।
हांव बी सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी जितले सपोर्टर आसा तांकां बी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा।
Thank you. That's all.
Kumteshwar's strategic timeout has been taken and is done now of 3 minutes. The Pepsi toss earlier won by Margao Kings and opting to field first and put in Kalangur Giants into bed 42 for 4 after 4. Harsh coming in, run out opportunity, but comes back. Half stop by the keeper, and the second half job done by Praveen Rane in the short third man region. Harsh comes in, coming from the Fonda region. Does a decent job as a left arm medium pacer. Push the ball in the gap. There's a fielder down there. This is good fielding. Tough fielding. Charging towards the ball. Not laying back. And very close to the body. And that's certainly that kind of positivity should be imbibed here in everyone by all the fielders. Just to get into the thick of things. They are controlling at the moment. Once you get Sai Zore out, here walks another man, the left-hander, who has been a rising star in Goan tennis ball cricket circle. Nag Bhushan, coming from the Sheldon region of Kurcharem, has played many innumerable innings in the last couple of seasons, and is a important member of the Sheldon team, but now playing for Kalangur Giants. Young side picked by Sai Zore. Just nicely driven. He might have shying at the stumps, but he and Sai Zore are very, very quick runner between the wickets. They are like cheetahs in the middle. And most of the times you see them comfortably scraping through at the strikers or the non-strikers end.
स्कोर पहुंचा 44 पर 4 विकेट पर.
Looking to play a falling sleeve. I think he's injured over there. I think he needs medical attention. Must have definitely hurt his face or maybe the eyes. Medical attention immediately required here. The batter looks to be in some spot of trouble there. Looking to play for the slog shot. Yeah, the ball bounced a little bit. I hope everything is all right. Every attention is seeked. Medical attention definitely has been there. Ambulance also been placed here. And he was immediately down. Once the ball has hit his face, he was immediately down. He looks to be in excruciating pain. Everyone is worried here. The organizers, DPL management, the Margao Kings, the Kalangur Giants, all looking and monitoring the things very closely. Medical attention has been sought and it's been given. I hope he's all right. He's trying to just gather his focus after that hit on the face. Certainly not an easy blow. The organizing members are rushing in towards the player. And that's why everything has been done by DPL management. Cricket not only is about bat and ball. Sometimes there are some injuries to many of the players, and that's why ambulance has been kept in place for some serious injuries, if at all, to any player. Every player's life matter. Every player's life is crucial for the organizers, Dambap Challengers and Dambap Premier League. And it's been kept at the highest priority by DPL management. He's still trying to gather his focus. He's trying to regather himself, reconcile after that hit. All the eyes, all the spectators still with his young team. Now he looks to be all right. So getting back, and now we are back into live action. As getting a single. That's very good job here. Looking for a couple of runs. Oh, this really good running between the wicket. They are looking for the third one, and they sneak in a third one. Can you believe? It was just a mere simple push here into the covers. And whose focus is lost here? Whether it's the focus of the fielders or the focus of the batter. Very nicely done. This is how you got to take the charge in the middle. There is no time to get back on focus. He immediately gets back 3 runs.
बहुत कम बार 3 रन मैदान पर दौड़ते हुए जो कि रन बनते हुए देखने को मिले हैं और वो 3 रन बने स्कोर के खाते में। गेंद थोड़ी सी बीच में लगी थी, मुंह पर, खेल रुका हुआ था, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक। एक बार फिर से मैदान पर ऑन साइड पर इस बार खेला बैकवर्ड स्क्वायर लेग पर एक सिंगल के लिए फील्डर है मौजूद। और हरीश सर, टूर्नामेंट के साथ और एक बात भी बिल्कुल जो कि दाद देने पड़ेगी, जो कि अगर कोई बड़ी चोट लगी तो एम्बुलेंस की भी व्यवस्था इस मैदान पर उपलब्ध है इस दंबा प्रीमियर लीग में, जो पावर्ड बाय दामू जी नाइक।
Yes, and I think this trend needs to be followed by other organizers as well. When you're organizing big tournament, there can be injury to anyone. So standard set here by Damba Premier League and the organizers, DPL management, to keep ambulance whenever required during emergency. And this is exactly what is required. When cricket is turning big, these are so many things which needs to be portrayed, which needs to be looked after as far as the organization skills is required. And I hope that many of the organizers that are organizing big tournaments in Goa also focus on this aspect of medical attention, medical emergencies, ambulances will be kept in place.
स्कोर रुका हुआ टोटल 48 रन पर 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर 5 ओवर, आने वाले 3 ओवर का खेल बाकी और खुद का दूसरा और टीम का अगला ओवर लेकर रजत कुडालकर अपने बॉलिंग बार पर। लेफ्ट हैंडर राइट हैंडर ये जोड़ी है मैदान पर। अल्टी पल्टी वाला शॉट, एक लाजवाब टाइमिंग और गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा से बाहर, सिक्सर।
$54 for the loss of 4.
बैकफुट पर कट किया इस बार ऑफ साइड पर, और जब तक फील्डर आते गेंद को उठाते। 1 रन बड़ी तेजी के साथ पूरा किया दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने। 50 रनों से आगे निकले, टोटल पहुंचा 55 पर 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। गेंदबाजी कर रहे रजत कुडालकर कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर से।
55 runs in over number 6. 2 more overs to go after this one, and you will see Nagbhushan going to play his shot, and what a shot there. You just picked the right length and shuffled across, walked across and played towards the fine leg region. Exceptional batting here. Mukunda getting into his touch and getting into the explosive mode. Looking for a switch hit over there, and then asking his partner for a single, rejected his call. The score is 59, and another 2 overs. You expect somewhere around. You expect around 20-25 runs at least. So once again, that's lock shot on the leg side, just gets a single. Mukunda and young Nagbhushan getting involved here into a partnership after their skipper departed, Sai Zore. Nagbhushan, this is a big stage for him. He has done it on many occasions in the past, but there cannot be any bigger stage for Goan cricket talent here than Damba Premier League. So grab hands, pouch onto it. And he does it, smacked his, but there's the fielder down. Finds the fielder in the deep. Gets a single.
छह ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ 10 रन प्रति ओवर के साथ थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रनों का औसत है और 61 रन टोटल स्कोर 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर। हरीश सर बिल्कुल सही चल रही है मैदान पर। आने वाले 12 गेंदों का खेल बहुत महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा और ये दो लेफ्ट हैंडर राइट हैंडर बैटर है मैदान पर। एक ओर से मुकुंद है तो दूसरे ओर से नागभूषण है। शायद टीम 25-30 रनों की उम्मीद रखेगी।
Six overs done, 61 for the loss of 4 wickets. Very good partnership after the lost wicket on 42 between Mukund Katagir and Nagbhushan. Well, both coming from very close regions of Kepem and Kurcharam. Inside out, over the covers, and this is a top shot. A top shot here, giving himself room on the leg side, and there was no man in the deep.
चार रन के साथ 65 पर पहुंचा टोटल स्कोर।
That's a wide call. I think Vinod Wilson is trying to just angle the ball away from the left-hander, but got to be careful. They have placed a man in the backward point, which is more towards the third man area, more backward point region, not towards the square, hoping for the switch hit. An outside edge, once again looking for that flamboyant drive, looking for a turnaround, chance of a run out. Very good throw, this might be very close. He stretched himself. You never know, this might be very close. A touch and go, I feel. Nagbhushan feels that he has grounded, looking for almost dived over there, looking for a lovely pick up from Vikas Desai and removing the bails in a flash. This might be important because Nagbhushan staying on the crease for another 10 balls. He can be explosive, even can be devastating at times. He has got the switch hit, he has got the slog shot, he has got the drives.
क्या कैमरा वर्क है टेनिस क्रिकेट डॉट इन का आप एलईडी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं। देखिए फिर से एक बार रिप्ले देखने को मिल रहा है। दाद देनी पड़ेगी पूरी टीम को टेनिस क्रिकेट डॉट इन की।
Well, replay also seen on LED, and everyone understands they have taken the decision. We are awaiting umpire's call. So not out is the call. So back live, the stumps were broken and new stumps are required, which has been put here in the middle. We are back with live cricket action. So everything was kept ready by the DPL management. These things happen in the game of cricket, but you got to be ready for any situation. In the air, this is a big chance coming their way. Fielder coming underneath, and he has taken it. Crucial wicket here. That long break has lost the focus of the batter. He tried to once again slog the ball in that Kaukan region, but getting a leading edge. Well taken by the fielder in the deep, and that's the end of Nagbhushan. But definitely he has played his part.
सफलता मिलती हुई विनोद विल्सन को एक अच्छा कैच पकड़ा और स्कोर रुका हुआ 68 पर 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। नए बल्लेबाज आते हुए मैदान पर। स्नेहित न्यू बैटर मैदान पर। 68 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर 7वां ओवर जारी है। 1 ओवर का आने वाला आखिरी ओवर का खेल अभी भी बाकी है।
That's not the best of the deliveries here, and swiveled over the fine leg region, shot down the leg side, not expected from an ex-seasoned campaigner like Vinod Wilson, and there's a easy boundary here for the picking. 72. So they are heading towards that 80-85 target. Big appeal there, but bowling from over the wicket as a right-hander to the left-handed batter. Ball might just pitch outside the line. You got to pitch in line and coming back in to the left-hander to be trapped in front of the wicket. A leg by signal. Moves the score to 73 with the ball left in over number 7. One more over to go after this one. Everyone is understanding this game very deeply. Anything above 80-85, it requires not only one batter but some high-class performance from Madgaon Kings to chase anything about 80-85 runs under lights. When it's a heavy environment on top, the ball doesn't travel that quickly. So far, it's been very well controlled. You can say both the teams are very much in the race and got to finish well here, Madgaon Kings. That's up and over. There is a chance for the fielder. And that's been dropped. There was a miscommunication here between both these fielders, running from the mid-off region and running from the deep covers. And 2 runs, a chance gone down. The important is they have got those 2 crucial runs. Marks the end of over number 7. It's 75 for the loss of 5 Kalangut Giants.
7 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ। 7वें ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद टोटल स्कोर 75 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आखिरी ओवर का खेल बाकी है। एक 12-15 रनों की उम्मीद होगी बल्लेबाजी पर और देखना होगा फिलहाल किस तरह से ये अंतिम ओवर में कितने रन बनते हैं और फिलहाल बॉलिंग में परिवर्तन कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर से इस आखिरी ओवर में देखना होगा गेंदबाजी के लिए कौन आते हैं। दंबा प्रीमियर लीग पावर्ड बाय दामूजी नाइक, एक बहुत ही बड़ा आयोजन। दर्शकों की भी काफी भारी संख्या में तादाद मैदान पर। यूट्यूब पर जो tenniscricket.in से लाइव प्रसारण के साथ वहां पर भी काफी दर्शक जुड़ चुके हैं। एक बेहतरीन आयोजन इस टूर्नामेंट का, बिल्कुल खूबसूरत सजाया है। लाइट्स है बिल्कुल बहुत ही बेहतरीन, रोशनी बिल्कुल बेहतरीन दिखाई दे रही है। और इसी बीच ये अंतिम ओवर और बॉलिंग बार पर इस आखिरी ओवर पर गेंदबाज अपने रनअप को नापते हुए। प्रथमेश आ चुके हैं गेंदबाजी के लिए।
That's nicely played into the gap, walking across and whacking the ball, swatting away for 4 runs. This is a good beginning to this last over. They move to 79.
चार रन के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा 79 रनों पर। पहली गेंद पर एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट। आखिरी ओवर का खेल जारी, आने वाले 5 गेंदों का खेल बाकी।
Going for the reverse appeal there from behind from Vikas Desai, and is looking for the review here. Well, Vikas Desai wants a review. They're getting 2 reviews for in each innings. One to be certain he feels that something is connected, so it will be referred for the third umpire and the match referee. But having said that, a wonderful serene coverage that has been given by tenniscricket.in. Tennis Cricket has been fabulous in covering some of the biggest tournaments in Goa, Maharashtra and across India, and they have completed 22 lakh subscribers, started by Santosh Nanekar in a very small way, but now it has grown into a big tree there, growing and growing in stature every time. And that's why Tennis Cricket, everyone is having a close look at the replay. They have got different camera angles, even the drone shoot. So want to be absolutely confirm about that particular appeal from behind the wickets by Vikas Desai. We'll have some special guest tonight, and it's already going viral in entire Goa. Who is going to come? So certainly a lot of excitement, lot of buzz here in Goa, especially at Fatoda Margao. Still waiting anxiously for the decision here. Let's see what is coming up. But there will be a lot of prizes coming on the way of all the spectators in between the innings. And we will definitely take your interviews and your expertise on the game of cricket. We see a lot of crowd coming in the stands, and some are standing. Many have come to support Margao Kings. Some have come all the way from Kalangut to support Kalangut Giants. Looks to be not out the signal because the fielders are getting back into the position. Let's get ahead with this game. Second one was a dot ball. Still the score is stuck on 79. Suchit Nanche up and over. Chance of taking a catch. He's still gauging himself underneath. And taken in the second attempt. Vinod Wilson, one of the most experienced, taking it coolly, but important wicket. Important is the dot ball. Left-hander sent back packing. 79 for the loss of 6.
लांबा प्रीमियर लीग पर्व पहिला
हो गया टाइम,
2025
देखो
पावर्ड
ना एक
बाय दामू जी नाइक। एक अच्छा विकेट सुचित नानसे और एक लेफ्ट हैंडर, एक अच्छा कैच पहले दूसरे तीसरे प्रयास में पकड़ा। लॉन्ग ऑफ बाउंड्री पर विनोद विल्सन ने स्कोर रुका हुआ 79 पर 6 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आखिरी ओवर चल रहा है मैदान पर, गेंदबाजी कर रहे प्रथमेश और देखने का नए बल्लेबाज कौन आ चुके हैं मैदान पर। संकेत झोरे न्यू बैटर।
Three balls still left. They will be certainly looking to target that 85. They need one hit for those. Can they get it? Yeah, he whacks the ball, swatted away on the leg side. Has not timed the ball that well. Gets a single, moves into the 80s, the total score. Well, they started very well, and although lost 3 wickets, but never got the pace to go down. Played with attacking instinct, played with some flair. Whichever new young batter came in for the Kalangur Giant side, they never fizzled by this big arena. They believed that attack is the best sort of defense, and if we want to torment this batting of Madgaon Kings, we have to post a decent total of at least 80 runs. They've got the first target on the board. Appeal there from the keeper, nothing from the bowler. So just going to be a run out. The batter wanted to come on strike, Mulkund Katagir, and the sacrifice here by his partner. So he's running straight away into the dugout. That's the 7th wicket going down.
एक रन मिला, एक विकेट भी खोया मैदान पर और इस सिंगल के साथ स्कोर पहुंचा टोटल 81 रनों पर।
Yes, let's get to see the last ball of this first innings of second
ये पीछे
semi-finals.
देखो ना बराबर है क्या?
That's excellent bowling.
लगा
That's
हुआ
a
बराबर
lovely
ठीक है।
finish here from the tall man from Walpai. Well, he has restricted this entire team, Kalangur Giants, to just around 81. They were on 75, just conceded 6 runs. What an important, crucial over that has been bowled here by Prathamesh. Wonderful over. And this has certainly set the tone for Madgaon Kings. They believe that they have restricted the opposition to just around 80-81 at the beginning when Sai Zore was flowing all across the part and Nagbhushan,
Hey,
Mukund Katagir, they
किधर है
contributed
तुम लोग?
handsomely. They will believe that we
Question
have
में नहीं आ रहा
got
मैं अभी।
a total which can be defended, which can be fought very well by our bowlers and the
Question के बाद
fielders.
अभी नहीं,
It's a
वहाँ पे,
young
वहाँ
fielding
पे।
side, it's a young bowling side,
वहाँ पे,
and there
वहाँ
is
पे।
immense
5 मिनट के
experience,
बाद जाओ बाहर,
lot
ठीक
of
है?
experience. It is Vinod Wilson, it is Vikas Desai, it is Rajat Kudalkar, Praveen Rani. Here these names, experience in plenty in Madgaon Kings side, and this is the stage set for them to get these 82
Oh, yeah.
runs
Acha,
and march into the finals, where we are still awaiting, and the excitement levels are very high. The second innings will
Babu
begin
bhai.
in a short span of time, but I think this is a
Check, check.
very good fighting total that has been posted on the board, and we are definitely going to watch one best semi-finals coming our way. So stay tuned, and over to Awesome.
Check. Check 1, 2, 3.
टोटल स्कोर हो चुका 81 रन और
Check,
मैच
check,
को जीतने के लिए
check.
82 रन।
Check 1, 2, 3. Mic testing 1, 2, 3. Check. Check, check, check. Well, thank you so much, Harish Kakodkar. बैठो 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 All right, welcome back to the question and answer turn here. We are here for Damba Premier League 2025 Season 1 powered by Shriji Damu Nayak. Thank you so much for being a part of this lovely and glorious event. We have come here to ask the question and answers to all the spectators here. We have got a couple of those in the previous match as well. But this time, we are here with a little kid that I'm going to ask him a few questions here. Let's see whether he can answer. क्या नाम है आपका बेटे?
रियान।
रियान, क्रिकेट देखना पसंद है आपको?
हाँ।
देखते हैं क्रिकेट?
हाँ।
फेवरेट टीम कौन सी है?
आरसीबी।
फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन सा है आरसीबी का?
विराट कोहली।
चलिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, आपने बोला कि विराट कोहली आपके फेवरेट प्लेयर हैं, लेकिन मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड नहीं पूछूंगा, कुछ और हटके पूछूंगा। बताइए, अगर आपको गिफ्ट चाहिए तो आपको इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर देना है, ठीक है? हु इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एंड व्हाट पार्टी ही इज फ्रॉम?
नरेंद्र मोदी जी।
एंड कौन सी पार्टी से हैं वो?
बीजेपी।
हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच, ये बढ़िया आंसर दिया है इन्होंने। नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं हिंदुस्तान के और भारतीय जनता पार्टी से हैं, ये आपको गिफ्ट मिलता है। उठिए आप। थैंक यू सो मच रेहान, आपको भी हम खेलता देखना चाहेंगे आरसीबी में, ठीक है? लीजिए आपका गिफ्ट। थैंक यू सो मच। विल बी हेडिंग टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन and I do have a few kids here as well. Actually this t-shirt belongs to Al Zargam Margao Kings but looks like a Kolkata Knight Riders fans team here. पहले आपका नाम बताइए बेटा।
मेहरान शेख।
मेहराज शेख, आप भी देखते हैं क्रिकेट?
जी।
आपकी कौन सी फेवरेट टीम है?
गुजरात टाइटंस।
गुजरात टाइटंस है। मैंने उनको एक पॉलिटिकल क्वेश्चन किया था, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको और भी हटके करूंगा, बॉलीवुड का क्वेश्चन करूंगा आपको, चलेगा?
ओके।
तो ये डायलॉग किसका है बताइए? मैंने जो एक बार कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता।
सलमान खान।
सलमान खान। और कौन सी मूवी से है?
वांटेड।
थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, आपने अच्छा जवाब दिया है। आपको भी यहाँ पर गिफ्ट मिलेगा, तालियां बजनी चाहिए। ठहर जाओ। वेल थैंक यू सो मच, एक बार फिर से आपको बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। बने रहिए हमारे साथ एंड विल बी हेडिंग टू द ऑडियंस अगेन to the different side of the ground. Stay tuned with us. We are coming to the other side of the ground to ask the questions and give away the goodies and the gifts that we are having here for DBL 2025. हाँ?
शेख या खान?
सैयद।
सैयद, मेरा दोस्त भी सैयद है, आतिफ सैयद करके नाम।
अच्छा, चेक 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 चेक।
इधर की पब्लिक फालतू पब्लिक है, जवाब भी नहीं देने आता है, ना रिएक्शन देने आते हैं लोग। आगे आते आगे और डगआउट किधर? नहीं इसके अंदर जाते के अंदर
किधर? तुम यहाँ से
क्या कर रहे हो?
चेक चेक चेक। ये पकड़ लीजिए।
हेलो,
ये आप पकड़ लीजिए। All right, the procedure, the process of the question and answer continues here at the lovely evening of Damba Premier League 2025 Season 1 powered by Shri Damuji Nayak. And I am here with another spectator in the stands here. Sir, your good name please.
Raju Mani.
Raju ji, thank you so much for being a part of this lovely league. I just want to ask you this. This is going to be a lovely platform for the Goan cricketers. We have seen players of tennis cricket playing in the different countries as well. Being a part of India, they have earned that recognition in the tennis cricket world, and they are playing in Dubai, Saudi, and Qatar and Oman. How this platform is going to benefit the local Goan talent, and how can they utilize to be a part of such glorious league out of India?
Yes, this tournament is a bright future for newcomers. So, plus also we have invited some important invitees also here. Those who are watching these players who are playing now, young players. So through them only we can sort of hope for them to get the chances to play in abroad also, even for our IPL, even our Indian team also.
So, sir, I would like to ask you one question, just quickly winding this up. And the question is, we have won the World Cup in 1983, and Kapil Paji was the captain of that team, Indian cricket team. Who was the man of the match player in 1983 when we won that final?
I think it's Mohinder Amarnath.
Yes, that's truly said. Mohinder Amarnath ji was the man of the match player in the finals of 1983 World Cup. And I shall be requesting Babuji from Nalini Caterers to please present the award to our Rajuji, right?
Yes.
Rajuji, thank you so much for being a part of this event, and enjoy your time here. Well, that's it from the question and answer question. I'll be joining you in the comm box with Sagar Gosalvi. Stay tuned for us. Over to the Sagar Gosalvi there.
Thank you, Awesome. See you soon in the comm box. Meanwhile, we have already started the second innings. And on the second delivery, it was a no ball. That's the call from the umpire. And it has been reviewed. So we are watching it closely. So it has been called a no ball. So liberty for Rajat. Can he optimize it? Free hit. Big swing and a miss. Lovely delivery outside the off stump wide is Yoga. This is much better from the bowler. Knows that is the area which is a concern for the batters, as you don't get that angle to elevate the ball, and the chances of hitting the ball is minimum. So beautiful answer for that free hit by the bowler. Another full pitch delivery, plays elegantly into the vacant zone between mid-off and the covers fielder for a single, although it was a pitch played aerial, but no harm done into the gap. So single to rotate the strike. And now another prolific hitter of the ball. Ajay is at the striker's end. Full of his delivery, there's a correction. Is it going to travel the distance? Field under the ball. Catch has been taken, and a pack of players coming together to jubilate that effort. What a catch. Let me tell you, these catches look easy, but they are not that. When a fielder standing inside the circle, running backwards, that to underlights, it's much difficult. What a catch by the player. What a wonderful effort, terrific catch taken, running backwards. It doesn't that easy, but the player made us to look that it was not that difficult. What an effort, what a diving catch. Definitely this will be noted. So far, 4 for the loss of 1 wicket. Good bowling display by Sanket. Power play over is on. So meanwhile, another good delivery, equally well played. Quick call and quickly reacted by the batter. Rajat is very quick between the wickets. Meanwhile, they are dealing in singles. Although there was a no ball that had been bowled, but could not optimize the liberty that was given. And that's the end of over number 1. After the completion of first over, score is 5 for the loss of 1 wicket. So, second over to be bowled by Suniket Palkar. Awesome, 82 is the target. First over, 5 runs on the board, and they have lost a big guy, Ajay. So, what you think, how this match is going to carry from here on?
मिक्स अप वहां पर ये रन आउट की संभावना हो सकती है. अंपायर ने सीधे वहां पर थर्ड अंपायर को इशारा किया है. वहां पर उतने कॉन्फिडेंट नजर नहीं आ रहे हैं बल्लेबाज. ये एक और वहां पर मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ सकता है. ये आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. जब आप रन लेते हैं तो आपको इंस्टेंटली रिएक्ट करना होता है. प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड वहां पर होनी होती है. वहां पर काफी करीबी मामला. सेमीफाइनल के मुकाबले पर ऐसे दृश्य आप नहीं देखना चाहेंगे बतौर वहां पर मड़गांव किंग्स के फैन होते हुए. नॉट आउट का अंपायर का इशारा आता हुआ.
So I must say that was a cheeky single snatched from the hands of the cover fielder because they have fumbled. Calling was not proper. They stood for a second in the middle. But Rajat, courageous captain, courageous player, asked for that single and he ran and he reached safely.
वहां पर देखिए आप जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बैट को वहां पर ड्रैग किया है. ये बेसिक चीजें आपको फॉलो करनी होगी. अगर आप वो बैट वहां ड्रैग नहीं करते तो निश्चित रूप से आपको वापस जाना पड़ सकता था. प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड की मैं दाद देना चाहूंगा बल्लेबाज रजत कुडालकर की.
Meanwhile, a stretch of arms by the umpire, asking the scorer to add a run in form of extra, and these extras will definitely help the batting team as they are chasing their target.
जी बिल्कुल 82 रन के लक्ष्य का पीछा करती हुई मड़गांव किंग्स. यदि वो किंग वाली फीलिंग लेनी है, आपको राजा बन के यहां से जाना है, तो इस मैच को जीतकर फाइनल्स में प्रवेश करना होगा.
Full of his delivery, equally well played. Ball takes the inner half of the bat, travel towards the square leg region. Quick pick up and a release towards the wicket keeper. Just a single. So the single definitely rotating this strike. But let's see when those big sixes, big moments are going to be witnessed out in the middle.
या ये साझेदारी काफी मायने रखेगी. सागर यहां पर 82 रन के लक्ष्य का पीछा कर रही है. उनके इनफॉर्म बल्लेबाज अजय यादव जिन्होंने बढ़िया अर्धशतक जड़ा था सेमीफाइनल्स में.
Meanwhile, another short arm pull. Ball has been hit towards the cow corner region. Two fielders patrolling the fence and definitely another single. The intentions shown by these characters are quite clear that they are not going to spare the loose deliveries that are being bowled to them. If there is even a single element where you can score, they are going to swing the bat to the perfection, but the timing is missing at the moment. Oh my dear, well directed Yorker. Rajat wanted to go for the slog sweep in a hunt of a boundary towards the onside. Perfectly bowled Yorker. Rajat somehow managed to get the bat on that to escape from that targeted Yorker.
या जब कोई भी आप प्रतियोगिता देखते हैं सागर, उस चीज़ के पीछे काफ़ी जीतोड़ मेहनत लगी होती है. आपने ऑक्शंस भी देखा इस टूर्नामेंट का, आपने यहाँ पर इतना बड़ा स्टेज भी देखा इस टूर्नामेंट के लिए फतोरदा के इस खूबसूरत मैदान पर. लेकिन इसको और भी खूबसूरत जो बनाता है इस टूर्नामेंट को, दामबा प्रीमियर लीग 2025 के पहले संस्करण को पावर्ड बाय श्री दामूजी नायक, इस टूर्नामेंट को और भी जो खूबसूरत बनाती है वो इसका एंथम है, डीबीएल का एंथम, दामबा प्रीमियर लीग 2025 का एंथम. और एक अलग ही खूबसूरती इस एंथम ने इस टूर्नामेंट में, इस प्रतियोगिता को दी है. मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा, साथ ही वेलकम करना चाहूंगा शकील अहमद जी का. क्विक रनिंग, वहां पर मिल जाएगा रन जी. मैं बहुत तहे दिल से यहां पर शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा शकील अहमद साहब का, जो जिन्होंने इस डीबीएल एंथम की खूबसूरती इस प्रतियोगिता को दी है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और स्वागत है आपका. यही डीबीएल एंथम अभी आप सुनेंगे.
So meanwhile, captain takes the charge with the ball in his hand. Sai Jure will be bowling from the far end. He is a very clever all-rounder. Excellent with the bat, and even while bowling, he is a think tank. Delivers different deliveries to the different batters. Let's see how this contest is about to begin. Man on strike, Rajat Kudalkar, another prolific hitter of the tennis ball. In front of him, captain of the fielding team with the ball in his hand, Sai Zuri. First delivery played cautiously towards the covers fielder. Throw, wayward throw, not onto the target, that allow both the batters to take couple of runs. 2 runs on the very first delivery.
Yes, that was so not accepted. Being a captain of Kalangu Giants, you will not be pleased with that overthrow run because you are defending a target of 82 runs. Any target is no smaller in a game like semi-finals. Swings and swings hard, gets a thick outside edge, and that's a big wicket. Big wicket of Rajat Kudalkar, the man in form, the man who can literally change the dimensions of the game, has to take a walk back, and it's a second wicket. It's 12 for 2.
Rajat departs. Rajat was walking very slowly as if blaming himself as he was required. Meanwhile, new man in is Somesh Prabhudesai, another good strong hitter of the cricketing ball. Let's see what he can do for his team. This is the crucial juncture for the batting team. First delivery, well pitched, change in pace, a hint of a leg cutter for Somesh. Clever thinking by Sai Zore, showed his talent with the bat and now showing his capabilities with the ball. Full pitch delivery, wonderful strike, straight down the ground, fielder definitely will be the spectator, and what a hit! This is what I have mentioned about this character. Strong stretcher, tall guy,
Batting like Team David, what a hit straight down the ground. Sixer.
क्या कहने इस खिलाड़ी के, इस बल्लेबाज के, 19 नंबर की जर्सी पहने हुए अपनी टीम को वो जीत की राह दिखाने का प्रयास करते हुए। ये बहुत ही सेंसेबल क्रिकेट मैं कहूंगा। सोमेश प्रभुदेसाई पिछली गेंद पर बड़ा छक्का जड़ा था, अपना खाता खोला था एक स्टाइल में। ये कोरा कागज जैसे है सेमीफाइनल, इस पे कामयाबी की लकीरें खींचनी होगी आपको, वो कामयाबी के रन्स लगाने होंगे उस कागज पर, तब जाकर के आप वो फाइनल्स का चेहरा देख पाएंगे।
Definitely. Oh my dear switcher, chance has been created. Is it going to be got? Yes, it is. Look at the jubilation. Second time Sai Zore strikes in this over. Third wicket back to the pavilion.
मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंख से कुछ नहीं उड़ता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। यहाँ हौसले अपने बुलंद करता हुआ यह खिलाड़ी, नाम है साइश जोरे, 2 सफलताएं दिलाकर अपनी टीम को वापस इस मुकाम पर ला खड़ा किया है, इस मुकाबले में वापस ला खड़ा किया है। नए बल्लेबाज सोनू शर्मा, चीजें बदलेंगी यहाँ पर जरूर। 2 नए बल्लेबाज क्रीज पर हैं, लेकिन एक का कॉन्फिडेंस आसमान की ऊंचाइयों को छूता हुआ। सोमेश प्रभुदेसाई एक छक्का जड़कर अभी भी क्रीज पर मौजूद, अपनी टीम की उम्मीदों को अपने कांधों पर लिए हुए।
Now Snehit has been given the responsibility to bowl the fourth over of the inning. Short pitch delivery, cuts the ball along the carpet, a bounce to reach. Meanwhile, a single, quick single, yes is the call, and off in a flash, they complete a single.
साझेदारी जरूरी है यहाँ पर। 3 सफलताएं मिल चुकी है कलंगुट जायंट्स को, वो अपने जीत के शिखर पर है यहाँ पर। यदि इस पारी को नहीं संभाला गया, इस पारी को नहीं सजाया गया रनों से, तो ये पूरी की पूरी टीम बिखेर सकती है यहाँ पर। सोनू शर्मा, सोमेश प्रभुदेसाई, दोनों के कांधों पर यह जिम्मेदारी।
Meanwhile, a full pitch delivery. Oh my dear, Sonu wanted to be fancy, switching immediately, trying the hunt of the vacancy towards the offside, but no connection. Makes the ball travel safely to the wicketkeeper. This is much better line.
शायद ये अगर लीग मुकाबला होता सागर जी, तो शायद दृश्य कुछ और होता। वो प्रेशर आपके ऊपर होता नहीं, आपके सलामी बल्लेबाज शायद कुछ और नजरिए से इस मैच को देखते।
Definitely awesome. Now there will be pressure of the second innings as well, of the chase. Meanwhile, a ball is not getting where they want it, taking the edges. Meanwhile, rotating the strike, and the solid batter Somesh is at the strikers, and he has already shown what damage he can do if he continues till the 8th over.
ऑफ हेलीकॉप्टर उड़ाया है वहां पर, 1 रन तेजी के साथ पूरा करेंगे। डायरेक्ट हिट, दाद देना चाहूंगा फील्डिंग की यहाँ पर, बहुत बढ़िया प्रदर्शन दर्शाते हुए कलंगुट जायंट्स के खिलाड़ी। Once again, I would like to mention this, Sagarji. There is no event is a complete one without adding that beauty touch of the anthem. And I shall welcome our chief guest here who has given the beautiful DPL anthem to this event. Shakil Ahmed ji, thank you so much for being here.
Meanwhile, here comes the next. Wanted to dig that ball. Not able to connect it properly. Ball taking again the leading edge. But fortunate for the batsman as ball lands safely before the mid of field. Otherwise, it would have been a chance of another.
बिल्कुल सही कहा. एक और झटका लग सकता था यदि वो गेंद सीधे फील्डर के हाथों जाती. लेकिन ये मुकाबला काफी रोमांचक होता हुआ, काफी कश्मकश वहां पर दोनों बल्लेबाजों के बीच चलती हुई.
But there is one thing awesome bhai. Still, the king of king as far as tennis ball cricket is concerned, still sitting in the dugout, the captain of Margao Kings. Ample of experience, and it is a big name as far as tennis and leather ball is concerned.
ये बिल्कुल इस बार घुमाया है. फील्डर वहां पर है नहीं तो मिल जाएगा चौका. जोड़ लीजिए 4 रन खाते में मडगांव किंग्स के और साथ ही साथ सोमेश प्रभुदेसाई के. मैं बात कर रहा था इसी खिलाड़ी की काबिलियत की. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 27 पर 3.
So meanwhile, it's time for Gumteshwar strategic timeout.
Thank you, Sagar. I've got with me Rupesh Joshi. He's a big supporter of Kalangut Giants as well as a scorer. He still scores and also a big supporter of the Kalangut Giants. Rupesh, पहिले म्हाका सांग, रजत आउट जाला, सध्या गेम हातीन आसा तुमच्या. स्ट्रॅटेजिक टाइम आउट सोमेश खेळटा मदीं, तसोच वांगडा सोनू शर्माय खेळटा. कितें सांगूंक सोदता?
काय ना फिल्डिंग बरी करूंक जाय. फिल्डिंग बरी आहात आमची, पूण आनी 1-2 विकेटी पडल्यार मातशें प्रेशर येतलो तेंचेर.
ऑक्शनाच्या टायमार सिरिल डिसुजा टीम ओनर, तशेंच साईश जोरे टीम आयकॉन आनी रुपेश जोशी आसलो थंय. ट्रॉफी पळयल्ली, त्या ट्रॉफी पळोवन तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता एक स्टेटस घातलेलो ट्रॉफी पळोवन की ही ट्रॉफी मेळात जाल्यार कलंगूट तशेंच गोंयच्या सगळ्यांक जी चान्स दिला सगळ्या भुरग्यांक, जे DPL मॅनेजमेंटान हे तेंचेर सगळ्यांचेर विश्वास दाखोवन फक्त गोंयच्याच प्लेयरांक हे सगळी अख्खी लीग दवरल्या. तेन्ना कितें म्हणून चिंतलेलें की त्या टायमार ती ऑक्शनाक यंग टीम काडून आतां ह्या स्टेजीचेर पावल्या.
आमी यंग टीम कित्याक काडलेली की यंगस्टर मातशे बरे आहा आनी तांकां प्रमोट करपाकूच ही ट्रॉफी काडला हेंच्यांनी. सो आमी कितें केलें, बरें क्रिकेट खेळोन बरो परफॉर्मन्स दाखोवपाचो आनी ऑल इंडियाक आमचो परफॉर्मन्स दाखोवन कलंगूट जायंट्स कितें आहा ती दाखोवपाची. तेज्या खातीर तशें केल्लें. आनी ट्रॉफी पयली तेन्ना हांवें सिरिलाक म्हटलेलें ह्या फावटी आमी हाडपाकूच जाय. पळय आतां ही आतां सेमीफायनल जिखून आमी फायनलूच जिखपाक जाय आमकां.
4 ओव्हरी उरल्या. 4 ओव्हरींक मारगांव किंग्सांक एक बरोच स्कोर जावो. तेंचे कडेन तशे बॅटर्स आसा, विनोद विल्सन आसा तेंचे कडेन उरला, तसोच आनीक तेंचे कडेन हर्ष आसात, बाकीचे आनीक प्लेयर आसात. कितें स्ट्रॅटेजी आसतली ह्या फुडल्या 4 ओव्हरींक?
टायट बॉलिंग घालपाची, इजी रन दिवपाचे ना आनी कॅची ड्रॉप करपाचे ना. कॅची ड्रॉप केल्यो जाल्यार चान्सीस कमी जाता, पूण आतां फिल्डिंग बरी हे करून तांकां बेगीन गोवळपाचें.
Okay, thank you. That was Rupesh Joshi with us from the Kalangut Giants. Over to the Combox.
Thank you, Sham. Meanwhile, awesome. I was referring to the captain of the fielding team, Vikas Desai is a big name in tennis ball as well as leather ball in Goa. And as soon as I have taken that name, Somesh got that confidence and he had dispatched that ball for a boundary. Sometimes these names do matter, I believe. So meanwhile, moving to the next over. This is the 5th over in progression, and look there, captain of the fielding team, Sai Zore, who has successfully taken 2 wickets, bowling from the far end. First delivery, a maiden. Another fuller pace delivery, change in pace, slightly flighted at the moment, not giving enough time, enough pace for the batters to cut loose. Meanwhile, a helicopter into act, connected this time. Fielder running very hard. Can he stop it? Effort was very good, but could not held on. But look at that effort, didn't care for himself. Throwing his body onto the line, and that was the boundary. Looked the fielding side, it will be in a bit of worry as there was a collision with the advertising board. Hope the fielder is all right. There are safety is the first precaution, first thing that we are taking care. All the fielders should be safe.
And yes, the topmost priority of this event and of the organizing committee is the safety of the players and the safety of the spectators as well. We have well taken care of each and every measures to provide that safety.
And also, nice to see that a player is tough enough. Even after having that collision, he's standing on his feet, knows that he should be present on the ground.
यहाँ बिल्कुल यही आपको ऐसे मुकामों पर लाकर खड़ा करता है, यही आपकी कोशिशें हैं, यही आपकी मेहनतें हैं, जो आप जज्बा दिखाते हैं क्रिकेट के चलते, इस खेल के चलते, वही आपको एक कामयाब खिलाड़ी बनाता है, वही आपको एक कामयाब बल्लेबाज या फिर गेंदबाज बनाता है.
Definitely awesome. And now let's move on. A helicopter brought 4 runs for Kings, Margao Kings. Low full toss has been struck. Is it going to be maximum? Oh my dear. Straight into the dugout by Sono, telling his teammates that I am still there out in the middle. I am also capable of hitting those boundaries and sixes. Take this 6 from my bat. What a hit. Although it was a low full toss, but that needs to be dispatched, especially under lights in these conditions. You require enough power for that.
या बिल्कुल ऐसे ही, और कुछ चौके और छक्कों की जरूरत रहेगी यहाँ पर मडगांव किंग्स को. कदमों का इस्तेमाल, हवा से बातें करती हुई गेंद, फील्डर उसके नीचे मौजूद, एक बढ़िया कैच हो सकता था लेकिन वहां पर ड्रॉप किया है. रनआउट की भी संभावना हुई है, लेकिन वेल इनसाइड द क्रीज. बढ़िया रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. एक कैच यहां पर काउंट होगा. कैचेस विन द मैचेस अक्सर कहा करते हैं हम इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में और यहां के टेनिस क्रिकेट में भी.
Definitely awesome. Let's see how costly this drop is going to be. And definitely every boundary from the bat of Sonu from here on will be haunting the same fielder. All eyes will be staring the same fielder for that drop catch. But you have to forget that situation if you want to come up.
जी बिल्कुल सही कहा. यदि आपको आगे बढ़ना है तो आपको पीछे की हुई गलतियों पर पर्दा डालना होगा. आपको आगे बढ़ना होगा. यदि आप वो चीजें माइंड में रख के चलेंगे, एक और कैच आएगी आपके पास, आपके बैक ऑफ द माइंड में वो चीजें चलती रहेंगी. आप छोड़िए उसे, आगे बढ़िए इस प्रतियोगिता में. धीमी गति की फेंकी हुई गेंद, उंगलियों को फेरा था गेंद पर. ये काफी बड़ा वेपन रहा है पिछले कुछ अरसे में. आप शॉर्टर फॉर्मेट खेलते हैं तो आपके पास धीमी गति की गेंद एक बहुत ही बड़ा एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेकर आती है जब गेंद वो बल्लेबाज से चूकती है फिर विकेट मिलती है उस पर. इसी के साथ ओवर की समाप्ति.
So after 5 overs, score is 39. So definitely that boundary and sixer must have relieved a little pressure from Somesh, who is at the striker's end. Let's see how this over is going to progress from here on. Sanket Zore is the in charge with the ball, doing a slight warm-up before he could deliver, because he have seen the stretcher in front of him, the character in front of him, and the strength of Somesh Prabhudesai. So at the moment, score is 39. Another 43 runs required from 18 legal deliveries.
यहाँ बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चीजें बदलती हुई और प्रेशर बढ़ेगा। हवाई फायर, हवाई यात्रा पे भेजा है गेंद को। फील्डर केवल उसे देखते रह जाएंगे, निहारते रह जाएंगे। दर्शक दीर्घा में जाती हुई गेंद इस छक्के के साथ शुरुआत की है छठे ओवर की।
What a hit that was, kneeling on the front foot and launching that ball towards the onside, outside the boundary rope, miles apart from that restricted line.
एक बार फिर से बड़ा शॉट लगाने का प्रयास मिस हुआ वहां पर, बाहरी किनारा और बड़ी विकेट, बड़ी सफलता। सोमेश प्रभुदेसाई बड़ी मछली को जाल में फंसा है, एक और सफलता दिलाई है अपनी टीम को। चौथी विकेट अपने नाम की है यहां पर कलंगुट जायंट्स ने।
So that fall of wicket now brings another shrewd all-rounder, ample of experience, nickname Jet. Vinod Wilson out in the middle, and when the Jet fires, you know how much collateral damage he can do to the opposite team.
ये बिल्कुल यहां से चीजें बदलेंगी। यहां से एक नया बल्लेबाज क्रीज पर आएगा तो वो प्रेशर और बढ़ेगा। ये देखना काफी दिलचस्प रहेगा कि अपने अनुभव का कितना इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अपने एक्सपीरियंस को कितना इस गेम में लेकर आते हैं। विनोद विल्सन अपना एक जादुई ओवर फेंका था पिछली शाम, 4 सफलताएं दिलाकर अपनी टीम को सेमीफाइनल में लाया था। आज बल्ले से कारनामा करना होगा। इस बार आते ही उड़ा दिया है और बहुत ही बढ़िया कैच। ये कैच ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट हो सकता है, ये कैच ऑफ द सेमीफाइनल होगा। यदि ये मैच कलंगुट जायंट्स जीतेगी तो ये कैच बहुत ही बड़ी भूमिका निभाएगा इसमें।
What a catch by Snehit Panikar. Looked like as if he was flying like a Superman. One-handed catch. Timed it, jumped to the perfection. He was running backward and he timed it so perfectly that Vinod Wilson has to depart.
जी बिल्कुल कैच बहुत ही बढ़िया था, फुल मार्क्स उस कैच के। लेकिन एक बात ये मैं भी आपसे कहता चलूं सागर जी, ऐसे कैच जो है ना चिपक जाते हैं आपके हाथ पे। आपको टाइम करना होता है अपने आप को, टाइमिंग से जंप करना होता है, बाकी का आपके स्किल सेट पर दर्शाता है। इस बार हवाई फायर, एक बार फिर से वही खिलाड़ी नीचे आएंगे, इस बार ड्रॉप होता हुआ। इस बार ये आसान लग रहा था कैच, पहुंच गए थे खिलाड़ी, स्नेहित थे वहां पर, छिटक गई गेंद।
Definitely awesome, bhai. This is the beauty of cricket. You have taken exceptional catch, couple of moments before, and this was looking quite comfortable. But the batter Vikas Desai, definitely that wicket would have come in front of his eyes.
जी बिल्कुल, पूरा वो सफर तय किया था, लॉन्ग ऑफ से पूरा ऑलमोस्ट लॉन्ग ऑन तक आए थे, नजरें जमाई थी, पहुंचे भी थे गेंद तक, लेकिन आखिरकार छिटक गई गेंद। क्या ये मौका छिटका है सेमीफाइनल्स का? क्या ये मौका छिटका है फाइनल्स में प्रवेश करने का? ये वक्त ही बताएगा।
Meanwhile, look at that strike. Played towards the covers, although there is a fielder been posted to patrol the fence. Played upish, but safe. A bounce to reach the fielder. Single to rotate the strike, and now Sonu. This character is going to be very interesting. Sonu at the strikers, and he has hit a six. He has hit a boundary.
जब आपको एक बड़ी बिल्डिंग बनानी होती है, कंस्ट्रक्ट करना होता है, तो आपको दो चीजें आपके लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, एक उसका बेस और दूसरा उसके पिलर्स। बेस सोमेश ने सेट किया है, यहाँ पर पिलर्स स्ट्रांग होने चाहिए। अब मडगांव किंग्स के हवाई फायर, फील्डर वहां पर एक बार फिर से कैच लेते हुए, वही खिलाड़ी स्नेहित जिन्होंने पहले एक चमत्कारी कैच लिया था, दूसरे बार वहां पर कैच छिटक गया था, लेकिन इस बार वापस से अपने स्किल सेट को दर्शाते हुए बताया है कि मैं कैच लेने में सक्षम हूं, मैं फील्डिंग करने में सक्षम हूं। एक और सफलता, 48 पर 6 मडगांव किंग्स। क्या कहानी रही है पिछले ओवर की। संकेत जोरे पहला छक्का लगा था, उस दबाव को वापस से अपने अंदर जज्ब किया और दिखाया कि कितने होनहार खिलाड़ी, कितना अनुभव अपने अंदर लिए चलता है ये खिलाड़ी। 3 सफलताएं अपनी टीम को दिलाई हैं। उम्मीदों को धराशायी किया है वहां पर मडगांव किंग्स की। बढ़िया गेंद, बेहतरीन शॉट, एक्स्ट्रा कवर्स पर फील्डर मौजूद है वहां पर। एक रन तेजी के साथ पूरा किया, दूसरे रन की मांग थी जरूर। हर गेंद यहां पर महत्वपूर्ण है, हर डॉट बॉल यहां पर प्रेशर बिल्डअप करेगा, हर चौका या छक्का ऑपोजिशंस पर बाहर डालेगा।
So new man is Amber. Amber depicts the sky. Let's see whether he can put that ball up in the sky out of the boundary rope. There was a slightly short pitch, but could not take the advantage of it. A word of advice from the captain for the fellow mate. Let's see how this over is going to progress. Meanwhile, Snehit is having a wonderful night at the moment. Big appeal, ball onto the legs. Leg bias was about to signal, meanwhile it has been referred.
जी हाँ, सीधे पैड पर लगी गेंद, तेज गति की गेंद थी, जड़ में फेंकी हुई गेंद थी, सीधे पैड्स पर लगती हुई और अंपायर ने नॉट आउट दिया था, लेकिन रेफरल ले लिया है यहाँ पर। काफी दिलचस्प रहेगा ये नजारा। दामबा प्रीमियर लीग 2025 के पहले संस्करण में पावर्ड बाय श्री दामोजी नायक यहाँ पर ये एक एक्स्ट्रा एडेड फ्लेवर लेकर आए हैं। रिव्यू सिस्टम रखा गया है सेमीफाइनल्स और फाइनल्स के चलते। कॉन्फिडेंट नजर आ रहे हैं लेकिन वहां पर गेंदबाज, लेकिन जब तक निर्णय नहीं आता तीसरे अंपायर का, कुछ भी कहना संभव नहीं है यहाँ।
But awesome boy, what a day Snehit is having today. Marvelous catches, beautiful bowling, and now again into his individual second over. Very deceptive right from the beginning.
या स्नेहित का अगर पूरा नाम आप देखें तो स्नेहित पैनिकर, आप KER हटा दें तो वो पैनिक कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर अपोजिशन को।
So meanwhile, Vikas on the striking end, not happy with himself. Wanted to hit the ball. Maybe he had played it slight early. That's why could not aviate it. But nonetheless, a single and will be at the non-striker's end.
विकास देसाई कप्तान है अपनी टीम के, काफी हद तक जिम्मेदारियां इनके ऊपर पड़ी हुई है और हवा में गेंद है, नीचे आएंगे फील्डर विकेट कीपर और वो जिम्मेदारियां जो उम्मीद की आखिरी किरण थी मडगांव किंग्स की वो धराशायी होती हुई यहां पर एक और सफलता अपने नाम की है। इस बार करिश्मा दिखाया है स्नेहित ने, वही खिलाड़ी जिन्होंने 2 बेहतरीन कैचेस लिए थे और देखिए सेलिब्रेशंस बहुत ही बढ़िया। 7वीं सफलता 51 पर 7। माफ कीजिएगा, अंबर नायक वापस लौटे हैं। अभी भी वो विकास देसाई क्रीज पर मौजूद, जो कप्तान है अपनी टीम के, काफी अनुभव इनके पास, गेंद को कभी भी किसी भी मोड़ से पलटना जानते हैं। लेकिन आस्किंग रेट काफी ऊपर 26.57।
Meanwhile, another short pitch delivery, another chance has been created. Second wicket on a short pitch delivery. A well-directed bouncer by Snehit Panikar. And a look at that celebration. What a bowling display that has been shown by the team fielding at the moment, especially Snehit. What a lovely day, what a lovely night he's having, in fact. Catches and after that coming and taking those wickets. Eight wickets back to the pavilion. Mukund, bowler who have been taken hat-trick in the league stage, has been handed over the responsibility. Right arm over the stumps, man on strike, Vikas Desai. Full up his delivery, big swing and a miss, lovely delivery, and the same form continues from Mukund. He is very, very deceptive, especially in the depth overs. And he has shown how capable he is delivering a maiden delivery in the depth over. Full of his home idea, look at that strike. Right into the zone, swings the bat perfectly right from the meat of the bat, and away she goes, out of the park, out of this ground. Big six from Vikas Desai. So with that, a big sixer score moves to 57. Another strike, but only to find the fielder at the cover. Success for Mukund. 9 wickets back to the pavilion. So now last man standing at the striker's end. Another big swing and a miss. Mukund now knows that they have already stepped into the final and only some few formalities are yet to be completed. So doing those formalities and look at the smiles on the face of all the players. They are jubilated. Especially Snehit Panikar. And even that joyous moment is joined to him by the captain Saish. Both are standing as neighbors to each other, one it at mid-on and one at mid-off.
Yes, truly. They are completely delighted at the moment, and why not? They are on the verge of making their presence into the finals of DPL 2025 Season 1, powered by Shri Damu G Nayak, and it's all over. The curtains are coming down. Have a look at the celebration. Have a look at the way they are thanking to the God for making their way into the finals. That's a lovely game of the second semi-finals. We have got the final teams here. The two teams who are going to play the grand finale of Damba Premier League 2025, powered by Shri Damoji Nayak. Our Ponda Stars will be taking on Kalango Giants.